Hey everyone, how's it going? This is day 2 of tearing apart the HHR. I've got the headliner out, got the carpet out, back seats. I had to take the bar that runs across here out to remove the carpet. It seems like, I know that one is ruptured for sure, but it seems like this drain line here might be ruptured as well, right where you can't get to it, behind the dash, in between like the dash and the firewall. So yay. This side doesn't seem to be as bad as the other side. This is soaked. So I don't know what this is called and or how you would go about ordering one to replace that. One thing I found that was interesting is there's like these little pockets here and here, and there was some change in there, some fish hooks. When Chris got this thing, there were fish hooks everywhere, and I took a picture, sent him a text. I said, "Hey, I thought we got all the fish hooks out of here." There was also like an empty cigarette pack and some other stuff. So it was kind of neat. Some receipts. It was kind of neat to go through and find those little treasures there and get a little bit of the story on the car. Can always appreciate a good story. That headliner looks gray to me, which I thought was kind of odd. But I guess this tan interior has a gray headliner. And see, it didn't look gray to me, I think, because so much tan was reflecting off of it. But yeah, so I don't have to worry about a tan headliner now. These wires were glued onto that, which I thought was kind of stupid. But I tore them all off, and this here, I don't know how to get this out, so I'm assuming that it's gonna have to come out with the whole frame, which there's a part on here that's broken anyway. I'm not sure if it can be repaired or if the whole thing has to be replaced. So I'm just gonna leave it for now. There was a mouse nest right over there, about where that hole is. This side here, again, that's soaked. There was water pooled up here, so there would have been no way, if I were to run a dehumidifier in here or just keep vacuuming the rug, that I was going to get it all up. The driver's side of this carpet is just freaking soaked, and there's foam on the back, on the bottom of it for the shape in some spots. So I really just want to replace that instead of cleaning it. I'm sure it'll clean up, but it is a little worn, as you can see right there, because the floor mats, who knows what happened to them. I am wondering, at what point does this go from repair to restoration? I feel almost like I'm restoring this thing, or taking it apart to restore it. what time is it? It is almost 4 in the afternoon, so yeah. That means supper's gonna be real soon. And I still have not taken all the plastics in the seats and everything I've got back there to my work to clean them off. I'm not putting this in the Suburban. That's just nasty. At least not until I know I'm cleaning it, as opposed to just replacing it. Yeah. And this isn't even like the biggest problem with this car. So we shall see how this all goes. Actually, I don't know if I showed you under the hood. Hood's popped right now from when I was pulling the carpet out. Oh yeah, this here. This is torn. This feels like a fabric or paper, plastic type of just shit. I don't know what it's made out of. It's like felt on the inside. Like, what the hell? I assume you have to take the headlight out to change the air filter. Yeah, I don't know. But there is evidence of mice being in here, or at least chipmunks or something, because the acorns. So when I get this opened up, who the hell knows what will be found. Oh, there's like wire in here. I can't tell what that is. But anyway. Yeah. It's a pain in the butt to do, but the more that I am getting into it, the more that I like it. I don't know, it's just like a fun little car. This, I don't know the story behind this, why that's bent, but I'm sure I'll find out. It's got a clean title, so I don't know. Anyway, it's starting to rain now. I gotta put stuff away and get that covered up. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.